We're getting ready to do tractor, trains, planes, and helicopters. We're going to go through and we are going to read our words in the reading direction. And boys and girls, why is this important? What do you think we're working on? Yes.
Hearing all the sounds.
Hearing the sounds in the word. That's exactly right. And we're also working on our
Reading stamina.
our reading stamina with words. So we're working on our fluency, aren't we? So we're going to go through and we're going to read the R words. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, very good job. Now I need a tractor reader. Mariana, would you take the tractor and guide us as we read the words? Now let's talk about tractor reading. Boys and girls, how does a tractor move through words? Slow. They plow through words, listening for the sounds that are in each word. So we're going to run our tractor right in front, right underneath the word, okay? Are you ready? Who's participating? Everybody. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to go in the reading direction this way. Good.
March. Apart. Barb. March. Harm. Large.
Good job.
Report. Forget. Sorting. 40. Storm. North.
Excellent job. Now we're going to train read. Nick is going to lead us in train reading. Boys and girls, are we going to go a little bit faster this time?
Yes.
Just a little bit, but we're still listening for what?
All the sounds.
All the sounds in the words. So who's participating?
Everybody.
Okay, ready? Go.
March. Apart. Barb. March.
Arm.
Large. Report. Forget. Sorting. 40. Storm. North.
Very good job. Guys, what is this word? Animal. Right? Okay, so we've tractor read, we've train read. Now I want everybody to fasten their seatbelts. Now we're going to plain read. Gabby is going to lead us in plain reading. Now we're going to read the words at a nice, steady pace. Good job. And who's participating? Everybody. Very good job. Ready?
March.
Apart. Barb. March. Harm. Large.
Report. Forget. Sorting. 40. Storm.
North. Animal. Very good job. And helicopters hover around different words. So here's where it's going to get really tricky. You're going to have to read the word that the helicopter lands on. Peter, would you like to do helicopter reading? Okay. You don't know where he's going, so you have to be ready. Who's participating? Everybody.
Report. Animal. Smart. Storm. Forget.
Thank you very much. Boys and girls, in just a moment, I'm going to give you your spelling list, and I'm going to let you go to your seat, and I'm going to let you write your spelling words one time, in the sentences one time on a piece of paper, okay? And so then I'm going to have some students in small group with me.